Welcome to Science Friday. And I'm Marmy.
And I'm Ed.
And today we are doing Science Friday. And this week we are doing what happens when gases are released from a liquid, also known as
Coke.
Soda with Mentos. So Meg, as you know, what are the three states that matter? Do you remember this from school?
Gas, solid, and liquid.
She's right. And in this experiment, we're going to see what happens when you release gas from a liquid.
But we're going to be having to do this outside because of Mommy.
Because it is super, super messy. So don't forget, if you have, if you're doing this alone and you're under, voting age, you should definitely consult an adult and probably have them help you with this experiment because it is always going to be super messy. It's one of the reasons why we do Science Friday together is so that if something is messy and happens or goes wrong, Meg has a grown-up with her. And, we also just like filming videos together. So anyway, we're going to pause and go outside and then we'll actually start the experiment.
I just hope it doesn't explode in your car.
No, we're going to be in the grass. Possibly. Maybe. Because we still have that big limb down because of the hurricane.
There's no hurricane. There's no hurricane here. Just very heavy wind and rain. That was all.
We're going to find a location outside and we'll be right back.
Mostly in the backyard.
No, we're going to be in the front yard. Okay, so we're back in. Oh, well, we're outside now. And Meg is going to actually drop in 2 Mentos in a minute. But before she does that, I'm going to run away quickly. But
why?
Because I do not want this all over me. It just looks sticky and gross. And why are you now doing that? You're the one who goes, I will do it. Do you want to go put on your raincoat?
Yes.
Okay, so while Meg is...
I don't want it all over my hair.
So while Meg is putting on her raincoat, I'm going to tell you a little bit about why about this experiment. In this particular case, we're using diet soda because it's actually supposed to be less messy than like if you use like a more sugary kind of soda because the sugar will like be extra sticky. And as a quick fun fact, did you know that the average American will drink somewhere around 44 gallons of soda a year?
You will drink more because you're drinking like...
I have to drink my share and I have to drink Meg's share, so I drink at least 88 gallons. Anyway, I'm going to...
I do not want to do this.
I'm going to pause for a second while Meg is getting her experiment ready, and then I'm going to let her film it, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of information while she's doing that, okay?
And then I will...
So I'm what I consider far enough back. Meg is ready. So go ahead and put them in. And it did not shoot up like I expected it to. I'm going to kind of...
Put one more in. Put the whole thing in.
Anyway, that was not nearly as geyserific as I expected it to be.
Should I put 2 more in?
Try it. Uh-huh.
We're not eating these things.
No, we're not. I don't like mint flavored Mentos, and I couldn't find the fruit ones.
Should we just put the whole thing in?
No, I wouldn't say put the whole thing in, but you can put one more in. Okay, well, don't shake it, for goodness sake. It's so grotty. Maggie, don't... Okay, so that was somewhat disappointing. Okay, so we're back inside now, and we're going to talk a little bit about why the experiment worked and why it didn't get as big a plume as it probably should have. I think the reason it didn't get as big of a plume is because we used less liquid. Instead of using like one of the big 2-liter bottles, I used like the smallest bottle I could find. And I think that that's one of the reasons why it didn't get as plumy.
I think we could have put 2 bags of Mentos and vinegar. I think it just
Okay, that's interesting, but I don't think we'll be doing that.
Yes.
Anyway, the reason why you can mix Mentos and soda together is because the soda is made or created by dissolving carbon dioxide into the liquid or the syrup, and soda or water doesn't like to stay mixed with gas. So that's why you get like bubbles. And so when the Mentos is dropped into the soda, it falls to the bottom, and the carbon dioxide is actually lighter than air, so it rises to the top in a very rapid manner. And then they need to surface quickly, and that's what creates that geyser, is because when you drop the sugar into the soda, it's like, woohoo, party, boom, and you're basically telling them, hey guys, you can go, we don't need your service anymore, and then your soda will basically become just a flat liquid. So what did you learn today, Meg? What did you learn?
Really nothing.
Did you learn to use a bigger bottle of soda when you do the Mentos thing?
And I would make it squirt a little more.
No.
Yes.
So anyway, that's it for Science Friday this week. Take care and be safe, and don't forget to have a grown-up help you on any of the experiments that we do or try. And that's pretty much it. Bye.